Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing great. So, I wanted to test out my e-commerce AI chatbot. Just wanted to take you on a quick tour to see how this all works out. Okay, so I did add a rewards points feature to this e-commerce AI bot. All right, so the whole idea is that every time a customer places an order and we receive the payment, okay, the customer will be rewarded 1 point. Okay, so as the customer keeps ordering, they're going to start to accrue points, and when they reach a certain threshold, they will be able to use your points to claim gifts. Okay, so let's say if they hit 5 points, they can claim a gift that's worth 5 points. Okay, so the whole idea of using rewards points is to help retain customers, right? Customer retention, right? And then it also helps the business sell a lot more products. All right. So we're gonna take a walk through it, and then we will, just look around the AI bot, and then we will eventually place an order, and then we're gonna go ahead and claim a gift. Okay. So as you can see right here, as a matter of fact, hang on a minute. Let me go ahead and give myself some points in the admin area. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself, let's say, about 4 points. That way, as soon as I make an order, I will have enough points to claim the gift. Okay, so let me go ahead and check my rewards points right now, and I should have 4 points. Okay, that's all right. So as soon as I place one more order, I will meet the 5 point threshold to get my gift. Okay, so we're looking good. All right, let me go right here. So let's just walk through this thing real quick. This It's got like a chatbot view of the products. These products are pretty much like car gadgets, okay? So they're not really like car parts, but they're like car gadgets. This one right here is a anti-slip mat. You can place your phone on there and be driving, and it's not gonna fall. You can place your glasses, your key fob, coins and all of that. This one here is a steering wheel cover, all right? So these are mainly like car gadgets. This here is a headrest pillow and stuff like that, okay? All right, and then let's go ahead and take a web view. Let's look at it in web view. Okay, I'm gonna click right here. I really like the web view. All right, this looks pretty neat. All right, and then let's check right here. This one is sort of like categories, so you can actually filter out the products. Okay, so what I did was I broke them up, exterior gadgets, and then I got my interior gadgets. All right, and then you can click here for all and stuff like that. Okay, you can click right here, and then you can add a product to cart. You can also, what I did was I added like warranty. They could buy this and then buy the warranty. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's say we like this one, and then let's add it to cart. Let's click right here, and let's say we want this one in say black, and then we added this to cart. Okay, and then maybe let's say we want a headrest pillow. Maybe we want a medium, and then we added this to cart. Okay, so we have like 3 items in cart. All right, I like the web view. Very, very neat. This is beautiful. All right, let's go back here in the web chat, and let's try to filter out the inventory. Okay, so let's say I need a key holder, right? So I'm gonna say, do you raise this volume up a little. Do you sell key holders? I need a key holder. I need a key holder. Well, let me try to make it look this way. Do you sell key holders? I need a key holder. So let's see if it's going to filter out the inventory. Beautiful. Look at that. So it filters out the inventory. Okay, I like this. And then it also takes voice command, which is really cool. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and use voice command. Then I'm going to say something like, let me click my microphone. Let me do it again. Pick that. Hi, I am looking for a steering wheel cover. Do you have it? I need covers for steering wheels. Okay, let me send my voice, see if it's gonna. Oh, look at that. Gave me that steering wheel cover. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, another thing that I added also is like prompts. Okay, because the reason why I added that is some people who buy stuff like to ask questions before they buy. Okay, so this is where prompts can be useful. For example, they want to know how long it's going to take for them to get their item. Maybe they want to know about refund policy and stuff like that. So let's say they want to learn about shipping. They're like, how long does shipping take? Okay, so this is where your prompt kicks in. All right, you gotta use prompt for e-commerce too. There we go. Shipping takes 4 to 5 business days from the day of purchase. Okay, maybe we could say, tell me about your return policy. Okay, so let's say, oh, you can return the item you bought within 10 days from the day the item was delivered to your address. The item must be in its original condition and in the same box. All right, guys, so this is when your prompt can be very useful. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place an order. All right, let me go back to the web view. It's my favorite. I like this web view. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out. All right, so we got some items in cart here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit checkout, and it prompts me to enter my information. So bear with me. Let me enter my information. I may have to cover some parts of this for privacy reasons. So I know you guys understand. Let's put in our state here. Okay, and then let's put in our address in here. Okay. All right. We need a zip in here. Okay, and then we are here. It says gratuity. For gratuity, I think that would be good for like a restaurant, right? Not e-commerce. So let's just skip that for now. And then here, promo code. I did a promo code. I think I have 3 of them. Let me use this one here that says save 15. So that should save. Let me apply that. And that should save me $15. All right, nice discount. So now it's prompting me to enter my card. So just bear with me. Let me enter my card information real quick. All right, I think we're all set. Let me go ahead and hit pay. So guys, like I said, as soon as I make a payment, we will be rewarded with 1 point, and we will meet the 5-point threshold to get a gift. Okay, so after we pay, we're gonna go back to the chatbot and see how everything works together. Let me go ahead and hit payment, pay now, or pay, and there it says thank you. Let me go to the, okay. So as you can see right here, we have received our receipt, and any moment we should get a message. There it is. Beautiful. It says, congratulations, you have enough points to win a free item. Please look through our list of items and choose one. All right, this is beautiful. And then we got our receipt up here. Okay, Facebook makes this look a little different. Okay, so that's the receipt right here. All right, and we got the message. Okay, so here we're gonna choose one. Now we only have 5 points, so if we try to be greedy and choose the one with 10 points, it's gonna reject us. So let me try to be greedy. Let me try to pick this one. Okay, so you see right here, it says, sorry, you have not yet accrued enough points to claim this gift. Your current total rewards point is 5. Okay, so that tells us we have been rewarded with 1 point. The only thing is we cannot get this gift. This gift requires 10 points. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and claim another gift. All right, so right now the key holder is the gift that I'm able to claim. So I'm gonna click on that, and that should do it. So it says, there we go, it's yours. Okay, congratulations on claiming your gift. We will get it shipped to you as soon as possible, or it will be added to your next order. Okay, so your leftover points are 0. I have used up all my points. Okay, so I don't have any points left. All right, guys, so I think rewards points are really cool, guys. I have it added to my eCommerce AI chatbot. All right, so guys, if you want to learn how to do this, I uploaded these videos to my course. Okay, so get the course. The course is like none other. It comes with so many goodies, so many things that you're gonna learn, and I keep adding to it. Okay, that's what makes it even way better. Okay, so get the course and you can learn how to do this. I even have e-commerce for digital products, you know, for those people that need to sell ebooks, or maybe you might meet a musician that needs to sell their music. You can build e-commerce bot for them. So as soon as the payment is received, you can give the customer access to the product so they can download the product. Okay, so yeah, this e-commerce series is really fun. Get the course and you're gonna enjoy it. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. All right.